Today, we're going to build the Mega Class Star Dreadnought Supremacy using 18 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to grab are these larger 8-long wedge plates, and we're going to put them together like this. And the way we hold it together to start the rest of this build is get one of these 1x2, 1x4 bracket plates and just put it right there on the center to kind of join the two pieces together like this. And now they're stuck together. And on the sides here, we're going to get a 1x1 plate and just put it right behind that bracket plate, right behind that bracket plate. And that's going to kind of even it out along the side. And the next thing we're going to do is get these 1x4 plates and just put it right across on each side of those 1x1 plates. And it's going to leave a little bit over here, 2 studs on each side. Now in front of those plates we just put on, we're going to get more of these wedge plates. And this time it's going to be 6 long. And you're going to put it so that the straight ends go in the center and along the back. And you're going to put it right there in the center, right along that seam and across like this. And you're going to do that to both sides. You're going to need a left and a right wedge plate and put it here. And now to make this thing even more secure, we've got that little gap there. We're going to get a 1x2 plate and just put that 1x2 plate right there in the gap, and that's going to make this thing super strong and not fall apart. So if you're playing with it, you can be a little rough with it. Alright, now we're going to build another layer, and to build that next layer we're going to get more wedge plates, and this time it's only 4 long, and same thing, it's going to be straight across the back and center, and just put it right there in the center of our build. And you can use that bracket plate as your guide to where the center is. You can do that on both sides like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is grab a jumper plate, and this jumper plate goes right there in the center, yet again connecting a seam, making this build even stronger. And then the last thing we're going to do is get one of these little kind of like pie-shaped tile pieces and put it right there on top of the jumper plate, because the Supremacy, a lot of people who build these models kind of give them a tower like the Star Destroyer, but it doesn't really have a tower. It just kind of goes up into a point, and I think that kind of creates that illusion better than giving it like a full tower. Now the last thing we're going to do is, you've got this ship the size of London flying through space, so you need to put some engines on there. It's got a lot more engines, but for our purposes we're just going to put the 4 transparent blue round plates on the back to create the engines propelling the first order kind of like command center and base right there. And here we have a completed Supremacy, or the Mega Class Star Dreadnought.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.